Hello everyone, today let's take a look at one quick tip, and that is using formulas in your listening dimensions and manipulation of the geometry. So for example, if I go and try to use my detail line to create a line, you know that I can go and just write inside of my listening dimension value, and if I hit enter, that value will be used and the length of the line will be exactly as the value entered. What I can do is that I do not only need to write values in here, but I can use actually basic formulas like subtraction and multiplication and so on and so forth. So I can go and write in here the equal sign and then go like 150 times 24, and it will calculate that value and create the line that will be result of this, or the length of the line will be the result of this value. So I can go and use the division. So let's say 1500 divided by 3, and I will need to write equal sign again, and it will do it for me. I can also go and use different units inside of my listening dimensions. So for example, here now I am using millimeters, so this is in millimeters. But let's say that I know that I need to make this 5 meters. So I can just go and write in here 5 and with the unit meter, and it will automatically convert this unit for me into my project unit. So now you can see that I have 5000 millimeters in here. Okay, now there is one super nice example where I'm actually using this in my projects, and that is I have a flat roof like this, and I need to slope it, so it will have the constant slope going into my inlet, which will be 3%. So before I knew about this, I had to like just go and measure this, calculate it outside or somewhere on my calculator, and then write the value inside of my points in here. So I will just go and start creating here a little bit. I will add my points as well in here. And now, before I had to go like use this number calculated by the 3% and write the number in here. But what you can actually do, and which is much quicker and much easier, is that you can go and directly write the thing that you would write inside of your calculator in here. So I can go equals 300 plus 5500, which is this value, multiplied by 3%, because 3% is my desired slope. And if I now hit enter, it will automatically calculate the desired height for me. And now, as you can see, if I will go with my spot slope, I have exactly 3% slope in here. So if I will just go around and do the same thing, so I will go write equals plus distance times 3% or your desired slope, hit enter. The same in here, equals plus distance time desired slope, the same. The same will go in here and in here. And the last one, again, equals plus distance time desired slope. And now you can see pretty quickly and pretty easily I was able to slope it all, and you can see it has a constant slope of 3% on every surface of this roof that I needed to slope.